Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your steering wheel for Euro Truck Simulator 2. First, connect your steering wheel and pedals to your computer using the USB cables. Next, install any necessary drivers or software from your wheel's manufacturer, like Logitech G Hub. Once connected, launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. Head into the Options menu, then select Controls. The game often has an input wizard that can guide you through the initial setup, making it quite straightforward. Now, let's fine-tune your in-game controls for a more authentic experience. In the Controls menu, you'll find steering sensitivity. Many players find a setting between 30 and 40% offers a good balance. For steering nonlinearity, setting it to 0 provides a more direct and realistic steering response. Make sure your steering animation range matches your physical wheel's rotation, typically 900 or 1800 degrees. Also, adjust any pedal dead zones if your accelerator or brake is too sensitive. Optimizing force feedback is crucial for immersion. Ensure force feedback is enabled. The overall gain slider controls the main strength. A setting around 90 to 120% is a good starting point. Centering at high speed should be set high, perhaps 100%, to give your wheel weight on the highway. Conversely, centering at low speed can be lower, around 40 or 50%, for easier maneuvering. Adjust internal friction to 25 to 60% for a consistent feel, and tweak other effects like bumps to your liking. To truly enhance your immersion, bind essential truck functions like wipers, lights, and indicators to your wheel buttons. This keeps your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Remember, smooth and gradual steering inputs are key to realistic truck handling. Experiment with different camera views. The interior view often provides the most immersive experience. Don't be afraid to revisit your settings and fine-tune them as you become more familiar with driving. Enjoy the incredible realism a steering wheel brings to your virtual trucking journeys.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.